opportunity to go to America and especially to speak in Harvard. It was always been a long feeling desire for me to go to America, which was not happening actually. And truthfully speaking, I had this opportunity due to one of my most beloved friend, whom you all must be knowing, Dr. Shashank Shah. Dr. Shashank Shah was a former professor in Harvard, and he was also an alumni of Harvard, gold medalist there. He studied with me in Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Learning in Puttaparthi, and we were together, we were classmates actually. And Dr. Shashank Shah wrote more than 200 books in management. He was very popular, and at this moment he is holding a position of Director in Niti Aayog, Government of India for Higher Education. So I always used to talk to Shashank, asking him for any opportunity, because I am actually having my core subject in education and human values. Usually I deliver talk in this subject only, because I am not a core academician like others sitting before in front of me. So I had a very good strength in this particular subject. So I usually speak on this topic mainly, and I had an opportunity enough moving abroad to various universities and spoke before. So I asked Shashank, can I have this opportunity in Harvard? He said it's very difficult. It's because Harvard usually invites the Nobel laureates or the top academicians of the nations. So where my criteria doesn't fit. So he said that it's difficult. But after a few days, again Shashank called me and told me, Arun, there is a global economic forum which is organizing its first World Global Forum event in Harvard. Why don't you send your citation? Then I was very confused and it was also surprising for me. But again, as I told you, my fatherly figure, the Chancellor of the University, he boosted me, he helped me to prepare my citation. And that's how I sent my citation there, and it got selected. And after it got selected, I have to obtain my visa. And again I was finding difficult, because Donald Trump, that was the time when American elections were over, and they have almost put a ban on the American visa. They were not allowing anybody to take the American visa. So whosoever were going, they were getting rejected. But again, our beloved chairman, Dr. Asim Chauhan, he asked the Chancellor to write a recommendation letter for me to the US Consulate. And as well as I had the sponsoring letter from Harvard both. So those two letters helped me to get my visa for 10 years. And that's how I got an opportunity to go to Harvard. And there I delivered a talk on the global digital reforms. As you all know, the world is moving towards ahead. And India being the greatest strength is that we have the biggest youth force. We have 60% of our young population is youth. So therefore, there is a lot to explore with our youth across the globe. And with this global digital platform, we get an opportunity with our artificial intelligence, how to enhance our knowledge, our skill, to update our data, as well as exchange our programs with the foreign universities. Because as you know that there is always willingness and abilities. People with willingness might not have an ability, and people with ability might not have an willingness. So those who don't have an ability to move abroad, with the help of the artificial intelligence and with the global digital, we can avail every facility at our own doorstep. And we can connect with various foreign universities across the globe. And I am so fortunate that the University of Cambridge, the University of Boston, the University of Southampton, the University of Harvard, all have shown their interest with Amity University. And on my request, maybe in next few months, the people from Harvard would be visiting our campus. The people from Cambridge will also be visiting our campus. And Dr. Shashank Shah, he himself will be visiting our campus. And they all have told me that we'll come on our own. We don't need any sponsorship or anything from your side. Rather, we'll be more than happy to connect with your students, with your vice chancellor, with your management, and we'll sign an MOU and we'll see how best we can explore the possibility for foreign universities as well as with the Indian universities, mainly with MIT. So they'll surely be visiting our university, and I think with this platform we'll be able to learn, and explore a lot in the coming days to come. As Dr. Sasank Sai is also known to our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Piyush Pandey, because he is also associated with the Sathya Sai Seva organization, and Dr. Sasank as well. So shortly Sasank will be visiting us, and with the help of Sasank, I am sure we'll be able to take more advantage, because he is the director of the Niti Aayog and also he looks after the higher education in the government of India. So there are various projects under the Niti Aayog that which we can avail those facilities, and I also request humbly all the dean, directors and faculties to prepare the best projects and see how best we can connect to them, how best we can join with them and make our university the best in the world, because I am so fortunate that in the year 2000, April 12th, I got association with Dr. Ashok Chauhan. It's 24 years that which I have completed with MIT by now. So it's a very long association with the MIT group of mine. And I was a young boy at that time when Dr. Ashok Chauhan ji brought me in the MIT system. And we started a university in Raipur during that